Most people think triads are theory. I'm going to show you why they're actually just a 3-note physical cheat code for the entire fretboard. If you're a frustrated blues player stuck in the bedroom playing the exact same pentatonic box, stop overthinking scales. Today, we're going to fix your fretboard mapping in 3 minutes. Grab your guitar right now. Let's get a fast win. Put your index finger flat across the 5th fret, so the D, G, and B strings. And then this is the one finger wonder. Play these 3 strings. You've just played the C major chord. Your C note is on the G string, the E note is on the B string, and the G note is on the D string. That's your 1, 3, 5. This is your anchor point, and from this safe and warm place, we're going to unlock the rest of the fretboard. Look at what just happened. We didn't change our finger, we didn't learn a new scale. By simply adding the open A string underneath that exact same one finger shape, we changed the entire function of those 3 notes. That C note is no longer the root, it's the flat 3rd, right? The E note is the 5th, and then the G is the flat 7. So we just built an A minor 7 chord using a C major shape. That's the native language of the guitar. It's all about relationship and position, not memorizing dots on a page. If you want to stop guessing where to put your fingers and actually map out the fretboard like this, I've put together a completely free Triad cheat code PDF. It maps out these exact shapes and shows you how to use them to solo over your favorite blues progressions. I'll send it directly to your inbox. Just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment below. Don't let the word triad scare you back into the pentatonic box. Take this one finger shape, move it around, change the bass note, and listen to how the flavor changes. Now, if you want to take these exact triad shapes and inject them into a massive blues solo, click the video on your screen right now where I break down the Joe Bonamassa blueprint. I'll see you over there. Keep playing.